The view from up here is beautiful. The birds are singing. Those are some ugly-ass birds. Wait a damn minute. Ah, they're not just normal birds. They have weapons and they want to kill us. But worst of all, they probably want to shit on my vest. That's not happening today. Looks like it's open season. What the?
Not cool! What is with the massive death force field?
This force field was brought to you in part by the Radio Demon. I hate birds. They shit on my vest.
We're not birds, we're angels!
I'm sorry. Did you say birds?
I just said we're not!
Well, would you look at that? I don't remember asking.
I'm not a bird!
Said the bird, ferociously. Oh, fantastic. Whose bright idea was it to give this bird fists? Why, hello there, Adam. Question for you. If I give you some breadcrumbs, will you get the hell off of my roof?
I'm not a freaking bird, bruh!
Of course not. You're not just any bird. You're an endangered species. If I were you, I'd take the breadcrumbs. They will be the last you'll ever have.
Dude, I'm not a bird. You really think you can defeat me?
Oh, I'm sorry, but I couldn't help but notice that you're missing a cane. Therefore, your opinion is invalid.
Yeah, well, I have a guitar!
Silly, stupid moron. Birds can't play guitar. Let's see how you like it, bird, when I return the favor and shit on you. Or just throw you into a wall. Either one works. See, Lucifer? This is what having a real cane does. It makes you invincible.